Understanding capital case in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and important aspect of English writing: capital case. This concept is crucial for writing correctly and professionally in English, so let's dive in and understand what it's all about. Capital case, often referred to as title case, is a style of writing where the first letter of each major word in a sentence, phrase, or title is capitalized. This is commonly used in book titles, movie titles, and headings. For example, in the book title, The Great Gatsby, both Great and Gatsby start with capital letters. 1. Capitalize the first and last word. No matter what, the first and last words of the title should always be capitalized. 2. Capitalize major words. Words like nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs should be capitalized. 3. Lowercase for minor words. Articles, conjunctions, and prepositions that are shorter than 4 letters should be in lowercase. For example, and, in, of, at, etc. 1. Overcapitalization. Avoid capitalizing every word. Stick to the rules. 2. Inconsistent application. Be consistent in your use of capital case across your writing. 3. Ignoring style guides. Different style guides, like APA, MLA, might have specific rules for capitalization. It's important to be aware of these if you're writing for academic or professional purposes. Let's put what we've learned into practice. Try to rewrite the following sentences in capital case: The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, To Kill a Mockingbird, Pride and Prejudice. That's all about capital case in English. Remember, practicing these rules will help you greatly in enhancing your writing skills. I hope this video was helpful and clarified your doubts about capital case. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video. Note: when creating the video, you can include visual examples of titles in both correct and incorrect capital case, and perhaps engage the audience with a mini quiz based on the practice exercises.